Hi everyone, my name's Elise and welcome to our very first Tidbit Tuesday where I share quick digital marketing insights with you because I'm sure as a digital marketer you're very busy. So let's get started on our first topic, Google Maps. So as you may or may not know, Google Maps actually released a new policy which will be deactivating or phasing out any of their old API keys, which means you might start seeing a message like this, if you have not already, on your website where you have any Google Map embeds. So don't worry, there is an easy fix for this. You'll just need to generate a new API key. So that actually has to be done by adding billing information to your Google account. That is part of Google's new policy. Don't be too concerned though. The most basic uses of Google Maps will still be free, and Google is also offering a $200 monthly credit, which will end up covering the majority of other use cases. So let's take a quick look at how you can add that billing information and then generate the new API key, which you can then just pass over to your web developer to swap out on the website. So first you will want to sign in to your Google account. We recommend using the same account that's associated with Google Analytics as if possible, but it's not a requirement. And then once you sign into that, I'm going to put a link down in the comments below, and that'll take you to Google Maps' new policy page, but they have a blue Get Started button on there. So you want to just click that button and it'll take you to this next screen you see here to actually enable the platform. So they're asking you to select the appropriate products. Maps for sure will be something you select. I would recommend checking with your web developer if routes or places apply to you as well. And once that's selected, you can actually create your project. The name itself doesn't really matter. I would recommend just using something with your company name in it. Again, this is not going to actually have any effect on the API itself. And then once you go to the next screen, you'll have to create a billing account. So once you hit create, you'll be guided through two phases where you will actually enter your billing information. And at the end of that process, you will then be presented with the new API key, which again, you can just copy and then paste over in an email and send that over to your web developer. You will note there's a notice there at the bottom talking about restricting the API key. We do recommend restricting it to just your website, which you can do in the API console. I'm also going to link a blog post we recently did down below. Dylan has a quick blurb about that if you want a little bit more detail. Otherwise, your web developer can help out with that too. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, I will see you next time for our next Tidbit Tuesday. Thank you.